So this is my dash cam. I've had it installed for about 6 months already. Really easy to use. Just plug in. It comes with a smaller cord, comes with a longer cord, comes with a manual. You just have to purchase the SIM card, which works great, the one that they recommended. So my card just went on. Sorry about the music. Pops up. And it talks to you right away. And you can change all the different settings. So right now the beeping red light means it's recording. I want to turn that off. You just hit that button and it stops. So I want it back on. And recording again. And then if I want to stop and change the menu, you can go to, let's see here, down. If you want to put it in motion detection when your car is sitting still, can turn that on, and then if anyone runs into your car when it's sitting or is walking around in front of your car, the camera will automatically pop on. And then parking mode, this is also a good one. Have to read the manual again to remind me what that means. Recording audio, you can have all these different things on here. You can change the resolution. The reason why I like this camera a lot is because you can turn it all the way up to the highest resolution, but it does take up more space on the SIM card, or you can go to the regular resolution and farther down, just depending. So, and that is my little camera. I use it for very basic things, but I wanted one that was definitely going to work well and see license plates if need be, because I witnessed a motorcycle accident, and ever since then I like to have this with me at all times, and I love it.
Even the most cautious and careful drivers cannot control events outside of their vehicles. That's why numerous road users experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now they can actually do something about it and use cameras to help identify dangerous drivers. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey. But with several companies offering dash cams, are you confused which one to choose? If yes, then trust ROVE R2-4K dash cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera that can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get unmatched clearer footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the ROVE app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving location and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary ROVE R2-4K dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry, parking mode, motion detection, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to 128 gigabytes, Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card. This dash camera for cars is backed by a full 1-year warranty. Or if you're having any doubts, it comes with a full refund within 30 days. So choose the ROVE dashcam to secure your drive to a safer future.